As expected from PITAKA, the California Dream Edition arrives in premium packaging that reflects its sunset-inspired design and retro-modern aesthetic. Inside, the woven aramid fiber case immediately impresses with its flawless finish, subtle texture, and precision craftsmanship. Exceptionally thin and lightweight, it feels more like a premium engineered accessory than a conventional smartphone case. The California Dream Special Edition is one of PITAKA's most eye-catching designs, featuring warm, sunset-inspired colors woven directly into the aramid fiber for lasting depth and durability. The silky smooth texture offers a secure grip without feeling slippery, while the minimalist design keeps the profile slim with precise camera protection and open button access. The hidden PitaTap layer is seamlessly integrated beneath the woven surface, preserving the clean aesthetic while enabling full camera control functionality. Build quality is one of the PITAKA's greatest strengths. Crafted from aerospace-grade aramid fiber, it offers an outstanding balance of durability, rigidity, and wireless compatibility while remaining impressively slim and lightweight. The perfectly aligned woven finish, smooth edges, and flawless craftsmanship create a distinctly premium feel, while the material naturally resists fingerprints, scratches, and everyday wear, helping the case look great over time. Installing the Sunset 2.0 on the iPhone 17 Pro immediately showcases its precision fit, preserving the phone's slim profile and natural feel. The PitaTap delivers smooth, responsive camera control without disrupting the seamless woven design, while strong MagSafe magnets ensure reliable compatibility with chargers and accessories. Wireless charging, Bluetooth, NFC, and other connectivity features all work flawlessly. The PITAKA Sunset 2.0 California Dream blends premium craftsmanship with thoughtful innovation. Its aerospace-grade aramid fiber construction, distinctive woven design, and hidden PitaTap integration create an elegant, ultra-thin case that enhances rather than hides the iPhone 17 Pro. While it prioritizes style and precision over heavy-duty protection, it stands out as one of the finest, premium, minimalist cases available.